If you want to launch a website quickly and without the technical headaches, Hostinger makes the process surprisingly simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to host a website in Hostinger step by step, using the built-in website builder, connecting your domain, and getting your site live in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the website section. This is where Hostinger keys everything related to your sites, domains, and hosting setup. If you're brand new, don't worry. This is the main area you'll return to whenever you want to manage your website. Now click Add Website. This starts the setup process for creating a new site on your Hostinger account. Hostinger will give you a few different options, but for this tutorial, choose Website Builder. This is the easiest option if you want to build and publish a website fast without installing anything manually or dealing with complicated server settings. After selecting Website Builder, Hostinger will ask you to pick a template. Take a moment to browse the available designs and choose one that matches the style of your business, portfolio, blog, or personal project. Once you find a good template, click it and start customizing. This is where you can change the text, swap images, update colors, add your logo, and shape the layout so it fits your brand. As you customize your website, make sure the important pages and sections are in place. For example, if you're building a business site, you may want a homepage, about page, services section, contact details, and a strong call to action. If you're creating a blog or portfolio, focus on making the content clear, professional, and easy to navigate. The more polished your layout looks now, the better your site will feel once it goes live. Next, it's time to connect your domain. If you already own a domain name, Hostinger will let you point it to your new website. This step is important because it makes your site accessible through your own custom web address instead of a temporary Hostinger URL. Follow the prompts to connect the domain you want to use, then confirm that everything is linked properly. If your domain is purchased elsewhere, you may need to update your DNS settings depending on how it's registered. Hostinger usually gives you clear instructions during the connection process, so just follow those steps carefully. Once the domain is connected, you're nearly ready to launch. Before going live, take a final look at your website preview. Check for spelling mistakes, broken buttons, missing images, and any sections that need quick adjustments. This is also a good time to make sure your contact forms, links, and mobile layout all look good. A few minutes of review here can save you from problems later. When everything looks ready, click Go Live. This publishes your website and makes it accessible to visitors online. Congratulations, your site is now hosted in Hostinger and officially live. From this point forward, you can keep editing, improving, and expanding your website whenever you need. And that's the full process for how to host a website in Hostinger. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and a great way to get online without wasting time. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Hostinger tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.